Yeah, baby.
Running wild. Get that one flying away. Yep. Get that one.
They're coming back over. Goose flying.
I can't shoot my gun. Maybe best is fucking just try to crawl.
Crawl it, yeah.
Get up. They get up. Are we shooting or are we gonna let them try to fucking come over top of us? Depends if they get up.
Hey, they're literally right here and all along here. Majority of them are right on this face.
Yeah, that's what
but there's still a shit ton on that corner.
Even if we don't like they're laying further away because I think a lot of them are on the edge.
Yeah. They're right on the fucking edge.
No. I thought we might have scratched, but should we wait for these to land? Yeah, wait for them. There's so many out first. I'm afraid they're gonna get up to us, my problem. Well, if they get up, they're going towards us. I know, but I'd rather have fucking shoot them on the ice.
Yeah.
You know, because your BBs are gonna fucking skip. You're gonna fucking get more wing damage and shit like that. Once is like the majority of the chunk.
say we just go that tall branch right there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see where these two just landed. They're fucking close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That tall branch.
That tall branch, and then we can move from there.
I think at that tall branch it starts to cut down.
Yeah. And then we're gonna be like looking in their face.
You're gonna get down. Yeah, don't shoot those.
There's a shit ton over there.
Hey, it's all like that. Holy fuck, dude. Stay 5 feet down below.
Yep. We have another 10 yards and then
We get up to 6 feet. Shoot, go.
let's go, boys.
So, Kate, how was that? God damn it, fuck. How was it, Jesse? God damn it. Fuck this shit.
So we're coming up on a group of birds, try to jump them, and they kind of saw us, so we just tried to flock shoot them. We shot 3. And Jesse's like, hold on, get down, there's a soul coming in. So I just lay down and look up, and I'm like, all right, shoot that thing. And he shoots it and knocks it down. Then I'm walking over, and we're kind of like talking about, shooting tarsal bands and stuff like that in this field. It's like, what are the odds that maybe all 3 of these are tarsal banded? And what are the odds the fucking single that he shot is a fucking tarsal band? That's just nuts.